How to allow Instagram access to photos. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, open the Setting app on a device. Once you are in the settings, find and tap on the Privacy Protection. In the Privacy Protection menu, click on the All Permission. This will give you a list of all the permission your app has access to. After that, scroll down and select Photos and Videos. This will show you which app have permission to access your media. Now search for Instagram in the app list. Once you find it, tap on it to open its permission settings. From the menu, select Allow to grant Instagram access to your photos and videos. Finally, go back and your changes will be automatically saved. This is how to allow Instagram to access photo.